Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. From today, I'm starting 9th class course in which I will share important MCQs and conceptual question of each chapter. So from these videos, everyone can learn every chapter in a very short time. So by watching this video, a student can learn full chapter in a short time and can clear their concept. Because in this video, I will also share conceptual question. This is my first video. I hope you all will like this. So the first chapter is Introduction to Biology. Biology is a science of dash. So which is the correct answer? Earth, water, or life? So biology is a science of life. Our next MCQs is biology is derived from two dash word Greek, Latin, or French. Which one is correct? So the correct answer is Greek. In 1736, the word biology is first used by dash. So which one is the correct answer? Carl Linnaeus, Charles Darwin, or Aristotle? So the correct answer is Carl Linnaeus. Used for the first time the word biology. Biology has dash main division. How much? 5, 3, or 2? So the correct answer is 3. Biology has 3 main branches. Biology is divided into dash zoology, botany and microbiology, all. So biology is divided into zoology, botany and microbiology. So the correct answer is all. Our next MCQs is the study of plants is called dash anatomy, botany or microbiology. Which one is correct? So the study of plants is called botany. Zoology is the study of dash animals, plants or organs. So zoology is the study of animals. The right answer is animals. The study of microorganism is called dash. Which one is correct? Zoology, histology, or microbiology? So the study of microorganism is called microbiology. The right answer is microbiology. Our next MCQs is related to branches of biology. So the first MCQs is the study of form, shape, and structure of organisms are called dash. Cell biology, morphology, or histology. So the correct answer is morphology. Anatomy is the study of dash structure of organism, internal, external, or known. So anatomy is the study of internal structure of organism. The right option is internal structure. The study of classification of organism and their scientific names are called dash cytology, embryology, or taxonomy. So classification of organism and their scientific names are called taxonomy. The right option is taxonomy. Another MCQ. The study of plants and animal tissues is called dash cytology, histology, or physiology. So the right answer is histology. Histology is the study of animal tissue. Animal and plant both tissue studies are called histology. Cytology is the study of dash. So which is the correct answer? Cell organelles are both. Cytology is the study of cell and their organelles. So in this MCQs, the right answer is both. The fossil of past organism is studied in dash paleontology, histology, or psychology. So the right answer is paleontology. The formation of embryo and its development into organism is studied in dash. So embryology, morphology, or microbiology. Which one is correct answer? As the formation of embryo, so the right answer must be embryology. Our next MCQs is physiology deals with the study of dash different parts of organism. So which blood, muscles, or function. So physiology is deal with the study of function of different parts of organism. So the right answer is functions. Entomology is the study of dash parasites, microbes, or insects. So entomology is the study of insects. The study of use of organism for benefits and welfare of humanity. Option is biotechnology, microbiology, or pharmacology. The study of use of organism for the benefits and welfare of humanity. So the right answer is biotechnology. The study of defense against disease causing microorganism is called pharmacology, microbiology, or immunology. So the study of defense against disease. So defense against. So the right option must be immunology. The study of plants fossils is called dash. Paleozoology, paleobotany, or botany. So the right answer is paleobotany because it is the study of plant fossils. So the right answer is paleobotany. Which branch deals with the study of parasites? Embryology, parasitology, or entomology? Deals with the study of parasites, so it must be parasitology. The scientific study of drugs and its effects is called dash. Pharmacology, immunology, or entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. Immunology is the study of defense against disease. So the right answer is pharmacology because it is related to the drugs. The interrelationship of organism and their environment is studied in dash. Taxology, biotechnology, environmental biology. Interrelationship of organism and their environment. So the right option must be environmental biology. The study of animal fossils are known as dash animal fossils. So zoology, paleozoology, or paleobotany. The right answer must be paleozoology because zoology is related to animals and fossil is paleo. The linkage of metabolic function and pathways occurring in living organism with other field is known as dash interdisciplinary science. In dash, the biological process is studied by using the principle of physics. In dash, the biological process. So the right answer is biophysics. Using the principle of physics, so it must be biophysics. Photosynthesis follow the laws of dash during the absorption of light. Photosynthesis follow the laws of what? The laws of physics during the absorption of light. Dash is concerned with the chemical substances and processes occurring in organism. Chemical substances and processes. So it must be biochemistry. Biochemistry is concerned with the chemical substances and processes occurring in organisms. The study of distribution of organism in space and time is known as dash biometry, biogeography, or biophysics. Distribution of organism in space and time. So the right answer must be biogeography. Dash is the correlation between biology and economics. It is very easy between biology and bioeconomics. So the right answer is bioeconomics. Dash manager work in fish hatcheries and study fish habitats. So horticulturist, medicine manager, or fisheries manager. So the right answer is fisheries manager. Dash deal with the crops and livestock. Agriculture or biology. It is very easy because we know that agriculture deals with the crops and livestock. Penicillin was discovered in dash. In which date penicillin was discovered first? So in 1928. Penicillin is used to treat dash. So which one is the right? Meningitis, pneumonia, gonorrhea, all. So the right answer is all. Penicillin is used for all these diseases. Dash deal with the breeding and raising of livestock. Who deal with the breeding and raising of livestock? So animal husbandry. Animal husbandry deals with the breeding and raising of livestock. Dash biologist deals with the police department. Forensic biologists deal with the police department. Forestry is related to the study of dash. So forestry is related to the study of forests. Now these MCQs are related to five kingdom classification. Robert Victor in Dash classified all organisms into five kingdoms. In which date? 1968. In 1968, he classified all living organisms. The five kingdoms are Dash. So what are the five kingdom classification? The first one is Kingdom Prokaryotes, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Pangaea, Kingdom Plantia, and Kingdom Animalia. These are the five kingdoms. Prokaryotes includes all dash and dash organisms. So prokaryotes include all unicellular and microscopic organisms. Prokaryotes lack dash, nucleus, cell wall, or ribosome. So the right answer is nucleus because prokaryotes lack nucleus. They do not have nucleus. Prokaryote cell wall is made up of dash, chitin or murin. So the right answer is murin. Protista includes dash organism, eukaryotic or prokaryotic. So Protista include eukaryotic organisms. Prokaryotes live in dash habitat. In which habitat? Prokaryotes live in aquatic habitat. Algae, slime, molds, protozoans are example of dash fungi, Protista or Plantia. So algae, slime, molds, protozoans are the example of Protista. Kingdom fungi include eukaryote and dash. Unicellular, multicellular, or both. So kingdom fungi include eukaryotes and multicellular. The right option is multicellular. A fungi cell wall is made up of dash, murin, chitin, or cellulose. Fungi cell wall is made up of chitin. So the right option is chitin. Fungi do not have dash, nucleus, cell wall, or chloroplast. So the right option is chloroplast. Fungi do not have chloroplast. Fungi are dash and cannot prepare their food. Fungi are heterotrophic and cannot prepare their food. So fungi are heterotrophic. The food is stored in the form of dash, starch, and glycogen. So fungi store the food in the form of glycogen. The right option is glycogen. The example of fungi are dash, mushrooms, and puffballs, yeast, molds, all. So these all are the example of fungi. Kingdom Plantia are dash, heterotrophic or autotrophic. So Kingdom Plantia are autotrophic. They can prepare their own food. The cell wall of plant are made up of dash. So cell wall of Plantia are made up of cellulose. The right answer is cellulose. Kingdom Plantia reserve food in the form of dash. In the form of what? Kingdom Plantia reserve the food in the form of starch. Plantia include dash organism, unicellular or multicellular. So the right option is multicellular. Plantia include multicellular organism. Example of Plantia are dash, brassica, algae, bacteria. The right option is brassica. Brassica are the example of kingdom Plantia. Kingdom Animalia include multicellular and dash organism. So kingdom Animalia include multicellular and eukaryotic organisms. Kingdom Animalia are dash, autotrophic or heterotrophic. So kingdom Animalia are also heterotrophic. Animalia lack dash, cell wall, nucleus or cell membrane. So it's very easy. Animalia lack cell wall. Cell wall is only present in. They reserve food in the form of dash, starch or glycogen. So kingdom Animalia reserve food in the form of glycogen. Kingdom Animalia include dash, vertebrates, invertebrates or both. So kingdom Animalia include both vertebrates and invertebrates. So the right option is both. Now these are related to Muslim sentence. Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan was born in dash. So what was his date of birth? The right option is he was born in Iran in 1721 AD. He practiced medicine in dash. So he practiced medicine in Iraq. He wrote dash. What are his famous books? He wrote many books, but the most famous books are Al-Nabatat and Al-Hayawan. He was died in dash. So Jabir bin Hayyan was died in 815 AD. He was also dash. So Jabir bin Hayyan was also an astronomer, pharmacist, physician, philosopher, and engineer. Our next sentence is Abdul Malik Asmai. He was born in Bushra and Desh. So what was date of his birth? He was born in 740. He was specialist in Desh. So he was specialist in animal science. His book Halikul Insan is about Desh. So Halikul Insan is about a human body. Al-Khil is his another book which is about horses. Or Al-Ibl is another famous book of Al-Asmai which is written about what? About camels. Al-Ibl is about camels. Al-Wahush is about Dash, wild animals. Al-Wahush is about wild animals. He was died in Dash, so he was died in 828. Our next sentence is Bu Alisina, who was famous sentence of that time. He was born in Dash. Bu Alisina was born in 980. His major contribution was in the field of Dash. So his major contribution was in field of medicines. He worked on the structure, function, and diseases of Dash. So Bu Alisina worked the structure, function, and diseases of eye. He described Dash diseases of the eye. So he described 130 diseases of the eye. His famous book is Dash. So the famous book of Abu Alisina is Al-Qanun fil Al-Tib. Al-Qanun fil Tib. He was died in Dash. So Abu Alisina was died in 1037. Our next sentence is Abu Usmani Umar Al-Jahiz. He described the life system of Dash. So he described the life system of ants. His famous book was Dash. So his famous book was Al-Hayawan. Al-Hayawan described the observation on Dash. So Al-Hayawan, from the name we can get the answer. Al-Hayawan described the observation on animals. Al-Farabi was Dash and biologist. So Al-Farabi was a Hakim and biologist. He wrote Dash book. So he wrote 2 books. How many books? So he wrote only 2 books. Kitab al-Nabatat is about Kitab al-Nabatat. Nabatat, so it's about plants. Kitab al-Hayawan is about animals. So the right answer is animals. The Kitab al-Hayawan is about animals. Abdul Qasim al-Zahrawi. He was born in Dash. He was born in 936. He was famous for the removal of Dash from urinary bladder. So he was famous for the removal of Dash for the removal of stone from urinary bladder. He was died in Dash. He was died in 1004. He was died in 1004. Ibn Ibnul Haytham. Ibnul Haytham was Dash, so he was an ophthalmologist. His famous book are Dash, so his famous book are Kitabul Manazir and Mizanul Hikmah. Ali bin Isa was also known as Dash specialist, so he was known as eye specialist. Dash described the circulation of blood in human body. So who was the first one who described the blood circulation in human body? So Ibn al-Nafis. Ibn al-Nafis was the first one who described the circulation of blood in human body. Levels of biological organization. All living and non-living matter is composed on Dash. All living and non-living matter is composed on atoms. The bodies of organisms are made of dash kinds of elements. So how many kinds? 16 kinds of elements. These 16 kinds of element are called dash. So these 16 elements are called bioelements. The right option is bioelements. Bioelements. 99% protoplasm is made up of dash. So 99% protoplasm is made of 6 elements. These 6 elements are dash. So what are these 6 elements? So these 6 elements include oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and calcium. These are the 6 important elements in organisms. 1% protoplasm is made of other elements. So 1% is made of other 10 elements, because 6 are the most important, which make 99% protoplasm, while the other 10 make only 1% protoplasm. Atoms of bioelement combine to form dash. It is very easy. Atom of bioelement combine to form biomolecules. Different biomolecules combine together to form dash. So different biomolecules combine together to form organelles. Different organelles are many organelles combined together to form dash. So when many organelles combine together, they form a cell, which is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. So many cells combine in groups to form dash. When many cells combine in groups, they form a tissue. Group of related tissue form an dash. So group of related tissue form an organ. Organs of living organism. Different organ work together to form dash. So different organ work together to form an organ system. Different organ system collectively form a whole dash. So different organ system collectively form a whole organisms. Group of similar individual in an area is called dash. Group of similar individual in an area called a population. So this is, you can write is the definition of population. Two or more population of different organisms living together make a dash. So they make a community. The community and non-living components of an area make and dash. The community and non-living components, so they make ecosystem. Ecosystem is made of community and non-living components. All ecosystem is the earth called dash, collectively called dash. So all ecosystem on earth are collectively called biosphere. Organism which is made of one cell are called dash. So one cell are made called unicellular, multicellular, or colonial. So the right option is unicellular. In unicellular, the work is distributed in dash. Organelle cells are colonial. Uni means one cell. So in one cell, the work is distributed in organelles. So the right option is organelles. Unicellular can live dash together or independently. Unicellular can live independently because they are composed of one cell. So the right option is independently. Example of unicellular are dash, amoeba, euglena, or both. So the right option is both. Amoeba and euglena both are the examples of unicellular. Both are unicellular. Volvox. Volvox is the example of dash, unicellular or colonial. Volvox is the example of colonial organization. They live in a colony. Individual Volvox cell dash life independently. Can live independently or cannot. Individual Volvox. So they cannot live independently because they live in a colony. They are colonial organisms. In Volvox, the work is distributed among different dash, organelle, cell, or colony. In Volvox. So in Volvox, the work distributed among different cells. So the right option is cell. Organism which is made of many cells are called dash. Organism which is made up of many cells are called multicellular. All plants and animals are dash organization. So they are unicellular or multicellular. So all plants and animals are multicellular organizations. Root, stem, branches, and leaves are dash organ of plants. So root, stem, branches, and leaves are the vegetative organs of plants. The right option is vegetative. The reproductive part of plants are dash. So the reproductive part of plants are flowers. Cellular organization is of dash type. So cellular organization is of three types: unicellular, multicellular, or colonial organization. These are three types of cellular organization. In bodies of living organisms, dash elements are significant. So in bodies of element, 16 elements are significant. Which bioelement make most of the composition of organism's body? So write the correct answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.